My name is Julie Baxa and I'm here with my buddy Marvin Monkey. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a very simple bird feeder that your child can do pretty much all on their own. The first thing that you'll want to do is to collect some pine cones because we're going to be making our bird feeders today out of pine cones. You can see that there are many different sizes of pine cones and actually even different shapes of pine cones. This one's more thin and long as opposed to the other ones which are spread out more a little bit. So you'll want to go on some sort of hunt or adventure to find some pine cones, so that'll be fun to start with. And then you'll want to take one of your pine cones and you'll use some twine or craft wire to tie around the top. It's much easier to do this at the beginning than to try to do it at the end when it's already covered with peanut butter and birdseed. And you might be able to tell that I found that out the hard way. In addition to your pine cones and your craft wire or twine, you'll want some peanut butter. And I found that natural peanut butter seems to be a little bit thinner than regular peanut butter. But if you have regular peanut butter at home, feel free to just put it in the microwave and heat it up for a few seconds and it'll thin out. If your child is allergic to peanut butter or someone else in your family is, try honey. Honey is a great substitute in this case. You'll also want some birdseed. I put mine into some cups so I can pour it directly over my pine cone, and then you'll want something to catch the birdseed as you start pouring it over your peanut butter or honey covered pine cone. So I'm going to start with my pine cone and cover it with some peanut butter. Depending on the age of your child and what feels most comfortable to them, they might want to use a spoon or they might want to use a knife. This is a messy project, which is why I chose to do it outside. You might also choose to do it outside as well. Okay, now I'm going to take my birdseed and I'm going to pour it over my peanut butter or honey, depending on which one you chose to use. And voila, a quick and easy bird feeder that we can hang in our yard and then watch all the beautiful birds come and enjoy their snack. I thought you might want to see where we hung our pine cone bird feeders. We hung a couple on our arbor and hook, and then a couple in the trees. Hopefully the birds will come soon and enjoy a small treat. Marvin and I would like to say thank you so much for joining us today, and we hope that you have a great time making your bird feeders as well. Please join us on Instagram and Twitter as well as Facebook to see other videos of Mondays with Marvin, fun projects that you can do with your child this summer. Thanks so much for watching.